Hi everyone, welcome. Today, 100 days ago, another war started. Yes, it's been 100 days ago. The war started in Israel between Hamas and Israel. Yes, and in today's newspaper on Monday, January the 15th, 2024. It's Blue Monday today. So yeah, not good day to remember. Anyway, in this daily newspaper, we have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Star Sudoku, we have the 4 Star Sudoku, and the binary. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 Star Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. In the evening, I will do 4 of them. And of course, these 3 regular puzzles. So there's a lot of puzzles. Anyway, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku. This will be number 7801. 7801. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In additional, oh, apologies, bumped the camera. Alright. It should be a 2 stars puzzle. A 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. If it's really a 3 stars puzzle, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright? So, let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about 7. Need an 8 here, 8 there. 3, 8. Come on. What's happening? 2. Need a 5 here. 3. Alright. 5. You have a 4 in the first column. Again, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 4 should be there. Okay, let me see. Let me study this 3, 8. Need a 7 here. Need a 2 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. 9 there. Need a 9 here. Okay. I need a 1 here. Yes. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have 3 and a 1 in this row. So no 3 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 6. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for the mod. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be in, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7, 8 is missing, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be in, 3 goes there. 1 in this first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in the first column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. So the other pair in this first column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Then 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 this row, second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Well. Need a 5 here, need a 5. I need a 1. Come on. 5. 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. Oh, we have a pair. The 8 and the 7 in this row. The 8 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and the 7. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Then 7. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have 3 and the 7 in the last column, so no 3 and the 7 in this box. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 4. Alright. 5. Need a 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 5, no. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 3 here. Then need a 2 here. Okay. Let me see. 5. Okay. In 8. 4. Well, we have 8 in the last row. 8 in that row. So the row between the only two places left on 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 7. Need a 2. 2, 7, 5. We have a pair here. 2, 5. Okay. Then. Do we have all the 8s? Yeah. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 9 here. No 9 here. 9. Okay. Need a 2 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the third column. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left of the 5 should be there. 9 or a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and the 9. We have a 9 now in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the mother. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the master 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the master 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the master 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the mother 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the must. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. 4 and 9 cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. Wow. 2 stars. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. Yeah. Although it has indicated with 3 stars. Anyway, I love this one. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 stars and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.